In a quarter mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, Kanye!
Welcome to Crafting with Cass. I'm Cass, and welcome back to Crafting with Cass. If you're back, you're ready for another set of DIY projects. So today's projects are going to be all about rope. I'm going to be incorporating rope in all of the home decor pieces that I'm going to be making today, and these are going to be the perfect modern and stylish home decor pieces for using indoor or outdoor. So if you want to see how these pieces turn out, then let's go ahead and let's get right started. This first decor piece is going to be a rope lantern, and I'm recycling these white 4x4 frames from the dollar store, and I've inserted some wooden dowels in each of the four corners of the frame, and I'm using some glue to attach everything together, which a quick drying stronghold glue would work best for this. And after I got the structure attached, then I'm just going to start using this rope to wrap up the entire part of the lantern. So I'm starting at the base, and I'm just wrapping it around and adding glue as I wrap. And I doubled up the rope towards the top of what I'm going to be using for the lantern, and then after that, then I'm just doing a little spacing between each layer. And I'm just making sure that the rope gets adhered to every part of the dowel as I wrap it around. Then I'm just using this scrap piece of rope that I had in my dollar store craft stash, and I'm just going to be attaching this to the sides as the handle for the lantern. And you can also just use all rope from the dollar store, but I thought it would be more affordable for me to just buy a bigger bundle of rope. And after that's completed, you can insert a battery operated candle, and it's ready to display. For the next DIY project, I'm using the same rope to create a no-sew DIY rope bowl, and so I am just adding some tape to the end to keep everything from unraveling, and then I'm starting to form it in the shape of a swirl, and then I'm just gluing as I swirl the rope around. And I'll also link a rope tray to this video that I've done in the past, but this rope decorative bowl is going to look a little different because it's going to have a different shape, as well as the color of the rope that's going to be used is going to be different. So I'm trying my best to avoid getting hot glue on my fingers as I try to adhere the rope as I wrap. as I wrap and glue the rope, I'm just kind of flattening it and shaping it kind of like you would do pottery, I guess. And it's working to kind of form the way that I want it to form. And I really like that this piece has a natural and neutral look, so you can really add some different types of filler inside and place this in a kitchen or a living room or any place you wanted some additional decor. Thanks for watching. Check the description box to shop some of my favorites, deals, and finds, and subscribe to see what I'm crafting next.